Hi students, welcome back. Today in 9th mathematics we will see one concept in polynomials. We will have a quick recall of the classification of polynomial and we will take up one concept, and that concept actually is a confusing one for the many students. I'll try to make it clear for you. So for that classification of polynomials, so the polynomials are classified on the basis of the degree of the polynomial and then the number of terms. So by number of terms, on the basis of number of terms, only one term we call that monomial, as mono means one, single. So mono means one, right? Then two terms. If a polynomial has two terms, we call that binomial. Means bi means two, bicycle, binocular, like that. So bi means two. So two terms. If a polynomial has two terms, so we'll say binomials. Then suppose if there are three terms, what is the word related to three? Yes, you are correct. It's tri. Yes, trinomial. Tri means three. That's why triangle, tricolor flag. So this like this. So these are some special polynomials, and all these come under polynomials. These are under polynomials. This is special polynomial with only one term. That's also polynomial. This also polynomial. This also polynomial. So all these algebraic expressions that satisfy the condition for being a polynomial are called polynomials. And out of that, some having only one term is a monomial. If a polynomial has got two terms, so it's binomial. And if a polynomial has got three terms, it's a trinomial. And another one polynomial which is on the basis of these degrees. Degree, you know, that we have seen already also one. Suppose if the degree is 1, degree is 1. You know what is degree? Let us recall. Yes, degree is the, suppose if you have a polynomial, this 9x square minus 7x plus 3. What is the degree of the polynomial? Yes, you are correct. 2 is the degree. So 2 is the degree of the polynomial because in this polynomial variable is x, the highest power is 2. Therefore 2 is the degree. So here we will see that, and if the degree of your particular polynomial is 1, say we call that linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear means straight. Linear means straight. Linear momentum. You have studied in physics. So linear means straight always. Linear graph. Suppose if the degree is 2, it's a quadratic polynomial. Like this quadratic equation, so quadratic polynomial having the degree 2. Then suppose if the degree is 3, then we'll say cube. You have studied cube, that is cubic polynomial. If the degree is 3, cubic polynomial. This also same, all are polynomial. We categorize some polynomial to be special names. So everything is polynomial. Okay, here we are coming to some other cases. Say suppose if only one number in one expression says that. So 3 is only one number. If we say in term means it is having one term. The degree means, what is the degree of this? We can write 3x power 0 because x power 0 equal to 1. So 3 into 1 is 3 only. So 3 into 1 means 3 into x power 0 or 3x power 0. So this can be written as, so this is also a polynomial, and this is the polynomial whose degree is 0. Degree is 0. So we say this one constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Okay, clear? Yes, some polynomial, constant polynomial, 3, any number, real number, any real number we say it's a constant polynomial. So one more polynomial we say that a zero polynomial. Okay, you might have seen that. Zero polynomial. What is that zero polynomial? Yeah, you may have some doubt. Zero polynomial. Suppose, so nothing is there. What does it mean that is nothing? Nothing means kuch bhi nahi. So nothing is there. Suppose if we see this x power 2, that is x square. How many are there? Actually 1. 1x square. Suppose if we just erase this and if you put here 0, 0x square. It can be anything. 0 x power 4 plus 0 x cube. Like this may be anything. So what do you find here? What do you observe here? Yes. Here all these coefficients are 0. This totally is 0 only. So 0 times x power 4, 0 times x power 3, that means totally 0. And such polynomial we call that zero polynomials. Zero polynomial. Then some of you may be asking, what is the use of this zero polynomial? Yes, we do have zero polynomial, just like in the same 0 sometimes. Okay? Yes. So it's a zero polynomial. Now, one term you have to remember, and we have just come across, we have to know that, it's very important. And many people may confuse that 0 of a polynomial. And this is very, very, very important concept. 0 of a polynomial. This is 0 polynomial. And here we say 0 of a polynomial. What is 0 of a polynomial? It is something special. Suppose let us see an example. X minus 2. Is it a polynomial? Yes, of course. It's a polynomial. So now if we see this, in this polynomial sometimes becomes 0. When? You can say when. When does it become 0? Or we can say for what value? For what value of the variable x this whole polynomial becomes 0. Yes, now you got it. So when x takes the value of 2, x takes the value of 2, this x minus 2, that is equal 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. So when this x becomes 2, the total value of the polynomial, the whole polynomial becomes 0 for x equal to 2. Therefore here we say x equal to 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay, clear? So 0 of this polynomial is x equal to 2. Suppose if we take another one, so what is the suppose right, x plus 3. So let it be simple, very simple. The concept புரியுற வரைக்கும் சிம்பிளா பண்ணிக்கும். இப்போ x plus 3 இது பாலினாமியல் தானே? எஸ். அப்போ இங்கே இந்த பாலினாமியலுக்கு what is the 0 of this polynomial? Suppose we can say this p of x equal to this polynomial x plus 3. What is the 0 of this polynomial? Yes, you are correct. இங்கே x இருக்க இடத்துல 2 வந்தா 0 வராது. No. 1 வந்தா 0 வராது. 4 வந்தா 0 வராது. 3 வந்தா 0 வராது. Minus 3 வந்தா yes, it will be 0. Minus 3 plus 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay, now clear. So, we can find out the 0 of any linear polynomial. It's a linear polynomial because its degree is 1. Suppose let us see what is the 0 of another one polynomial. Let us see. Okay. So, suppose 2x minus 5, it's a polynomial. Suppose a polynomial f of x equal to 2x minus 5. What is the 0 of this polynomial? We can find. So, what is the 0? So, 0 of the f of x equal to 2x minus 5 is the value of this variable when this f of x equal to 0, right? That is when 2x minus 5 equal to 0, what is the value of the x? That is the 0 of the polynomial, right? Correct தானே? So, இந்த f of x எப்போ 0 ஆக போகிறதோ அந்த டைமில் x உடைய வேல்யூ தான் 0 of that polynomial. இப்போ ஒவ்வொரு பாலினாமியலுக்கும் 0 of the polynomial will be different. ஒவ்வொரு பாலினாமியல். So, here you see, so therefore 2x equal to, if you take this transposing, that will be 5 and x equal to 5 by 2. So, the transposing the terms from one side to another side, we have to see that. So, here x equal to 5, it is the 0 of given f of x. Okay. Now, how to find the 0 of a quadratic polynomial? Yes, that is another one, very interesting. We'll see in the next video. Don't miss it. Okay. Bye.